install Lego Fortnite on PC or laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to install and play Lego Fortnite on PC or laptop. So basically, to install or access the game, you have to first of all make sure that you have an Epic Games account or that you have already registered. So if you have not, then go to your official page, that is store.epicgames.com, and create your account. When you're done creating your account, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now, right on this page, you need to go to store, and on the search box, you need to go ahead and type in the game that you're looking for. That is Fortnite Lego. Type in that. So when you locate Fortnite Lego, go ahead and press on it, and if it is free, then go ahead and tap on get, and if you have to purchase it, then go ahead and add it to your cart. Go ahead and tap on add to cart, and then proceed on to the payment method. Now go ahead and enter in your information, all that, such as your billing address and all that, and click on checkout. Now you go ahead and add your payment details, such as the way of payment method or mode of transaction, and then you'll have successfully bought the game. After you bought the game, you need to download and install it and create your account at the same time, and you could go ahead and play Lego Fortnite on PC or laptop. So that is how you could download and play Lego Fortnite on PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.